We're Trevor and Caroline. We decided that in 2024 we would give up our full-time jobs, pack up our trusty Colorado and Jayco Crosstrak and head off with no fixed plan other than to work when it was available and avoid big cities. We said goodbye to family and friends. Join us as we roam over this beautiful country. So we're doing the old touristy thing. We're catching a train, a tourist train, and then going somewhere, and then we're catching a sky rail back to somewhere, and hopefully being delivered back here.
Yeah, I think we are.
Could be interesting. We might end up with a fucking $100 taxi bill. Oh. It's been a good start already this morning. One train's been cancelled, so they're squeezing everybody onto the train we're on.
As we make our way around the loop, the brave troops volunteered to be infected with the disease. The two rock formations here are also important to the local Javakai people and feature in their Dreamtime stories. Quick stop prior to opening doors and gates and disembarking. Also available is a range of exclusive Coranda Scenic Railway souvenirs.
Train station up into the village. The pub was about as far as I could get. So we had a lovely meal, and then unfortunately then walked straight back to the SkyTrail.
Oh yeah, feel me. Will I have a heart attack?
That's man, Chucky on the Sky Rail. So I had 2.5 middies of green ginger beer. That was lovely.
Blue, but anyway.
Well, blue. So I had blue, 2.5 stubbies of middies of blue ginger beer.
It was called the Ulysses ginger beer.
That's voice again. So now we're on the Sky Rail, heading back to Cairns from Corumba. Something like that starts with K. It's in Queensland.
Oh geez, you don't want the wind to blow that way. You should go past the rail.
going to take you there. Now.
It disappears.
So here we have a beautiful example of a very long tendril.
Yeah.
This tendril is actually from
Oh,
the
one out the back there.
Yeah.
palm back there. So the climbing palm is the general term. Locals call it wait a while.
Yep.
You probably know why.
Yes.
And it's
Oh. Coranda.
No, don't you fucking stopping. We stalled.
If you've got a camera, you might want to get it ready. Because if the weather's in the good mood, you should get a great view of the reef from up here.
It's not fucking popping.
That's a World Heritage Site. Just like this rainforest. And this is the only place in the world you'll find two internationally protected sites, side by side.
A good friend of mine advised us not to come down the Gillies with a caravan. He should have advised us not to go up it as well. The green track is the actual GPS in the car. There's a lot more twists and turns than even the map shows you. So we're off to see platypuses. Hopefully. It's a nice bitumen path. You can see how far down from the truck he is. And the bumping sound, which is my crutch. It's going to be slow going. So we've left the coast. We're back up. What's wrong? So we've left the coast. We're back up into the Atherton tablelands at someplace. You people know what we're like.
We will find it and tell you.
We'll mention it later.
You know we're in Queensland. That's as far as we got.
So we're actually starting our journey on the Savannah Way. We've taken a slight shortcut, but we'll be on to the Savannah Way shortly and heading across to Normanton. God, that's a huge fig.
Yeah.
Sorry, I've got sidetracked.
Welcome to my life.
So yeah, we're leaving. We've left the coast. We've got 3 nights here, and then we're heading out into the Savannah country towards Normanton and Corumba, and then work our way Burketown, Hells Gate, Borroloola, and then back to Catherine. Ugh. Too bloody hard to talk to you people while I'm walking with a crutch. Oh, wait until we're down the river. And that low branch just above the water on the back.
Mm. What was that?
Oh, I was about to say,
Butterfly. I saw. There he is again. See? Oh my gosh.
ladies and gentlemen, what are you seeing in there, Chucky?
A platypus. Yes.
Oh, you left that beautiful big fucking camera at home.
Oh, I'll bring it next time. I wanted to see it for me.
Yeah.
There's bubbles here. There he is again.
Chucky,
Yes,
you
darling.
you were right. You did see a platypus.
Thank you.
I hate them. And I saw my blue butterfly.
Oh, look at that. Does not disappoint. Oh, there he is. Bubbles?
There's
Oh.
2 of them. No, the other one's just weeds. should see how green the tops come up in the camera.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's good. It's a whole different world down here, and it would be maybe 10 degrees cooler. It's just me today. There's no way Trev could do this path. So he's resting his leg. Alright, let's see if we can find another elusive platypus. We went to the platypus viewing area yesterday and didn't see anything, but the lady at the visitor centre said that she comes here to see the platypus, and apparently there's tree kangaroos here, and what you've got to look for with them is their tails hanging down from the branches. I mean, when you look at not so much here, but in other places, there's hundreds of things hanging down from the branches. Oh, this is an interesting little pathway. Alright, we'll see if we find any platypuses. Where did you go, my friend? Oh, there you are. Going for a nice little swim. Again. I prefer to do the photography, not the videoing. So it's sort of, get the video or get the photo. I have got a couple of, oh there you are, good shots of him, but I can't do both. They also burn their cane here, so if that's something you're interested in, be interesting to see.
So we found a way to mount our Starlink Mini, so we'll have Wi-Fi as we drive. We'll see if we need it or not, but it's good for mapping, being able to find camp spots in the middle of nowhere. So that now just runs straight into the battery in the back of the car, through a, I don't know, power step up I suppose you'd call it, which takes a 12 volt up to the required voltage, and it's just plugged in for an Anderson plug. A lot simpler than the old Gen 3. We'll just see how it works. I was going to drill and mount a rack on the middle of the... I was going to drill and mount a rack in the middle here, so it was better protected. But here it's still reasonably well protected. It stays inside the line of the car, inside the line of the wheels, the mirror. So I know if I hit something with the mirror, I'm going to hit something with it. We'll just see how it handles the next trip. I wouldn't leave it on there if we were parked in a town, or especially the big ones, because I reckon there's a good chance it wouldn't be there when we got back. Okay, we'll see how it goes. We'll let you know.
Visa just made shopping on the Iconic even better. Spend $100 or more.
There you go. I don't know if it's going to be in focus or not, but still connected to the car, and we're about 30, maybe 40 metres away from the car. So I heard people say that the Mini was very short range and they wouldn't leave it on the car because they wouldn't be able to get it in their van. Well, it's no different to being outside the van, I suppose. But that's the sort of range that we've got in all directions around the car. Slightly less bars if I got my body between me and the dish, but only by one bar.
Cute little monkey.
Yeah, the little pendulum up there. It's a big male.
Yeah. He's either got something to be proud of or it's a tail.
Yeah, thanks guys for watching. We're hoping you're enjoying the videos again. We'll catch you on the next one.